Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using AI. Let's get started. If you want to create amazing looking thumbnails for your YouTube channel without spending hours creating them yourself or spending tons of money hiring someone to make them for you, I have good news. I found an AI that can generate amazing thumbnails in less than 30 seconds, and you can actually try it yourself for free. If you don't believe me, just watch this video to the end so I can prove it. If you want to try it out right away, click the link in the description to try it for free or to follow along with me in this video. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Discord website. Once the homepage fully loads, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll find Register button. Click on this button to begin the account creation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a username. After completing the sign-up process, verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your newly created Discord account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to Discord's main dashboard, which features a clean and intuitive interface. Whether you're a first-time user or someone already familiar with the platform, navigating through its menus and features will be straightforward. From here, you can explore Discord's various functions, including joining servers, adding friends, and customizing your settings. Next, go to the Pixels website. Pixels is an AI-powered tool designed to help users create professional-quality YouTube thumbnails with minimal effort. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those using it for the first time. As soon as you arrive on the main page, you'll see all the necessary tools to generate eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. Pixels provides two different methods for creating YouTube thumbnails. The first method involves designing a brand new thumbnail from scratch. To do this, locate the text prompt input field, where you can enter a detailed description of the type of thumbnail you want. The AI will analyze your description and generate a visually appealing design based on your input. If the initial result doesn't meet your expectations, you can refine it by adjusting the prompt or experimenting with different keywords to achieve the desired look. The second method allows you to enhance an existing YouTube thumbnail. If you already have a video uploaded to YouTube and want to improve its current thumbnail, you can simply copy and paste the video's URL into the designated input field. Pixels will automatically extract the existing thumbnail and present you with various customization options. This method is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent branding style while upgrading the visual appeal of your video thumbnails to attract more viewers. Once Pixels generates a thumbnail based on your chosen method, you have the option to make further modifications. The built-in editing tools enable you to adjust various elements, such as colors, fonts, backgrounds, and overall composition, to ensure the final design aligns with your vision. You can fine-tune the details to make the thumbnail more engaging, vibrant, and effective in drawing attention. When you're satisfied with the final version of your thumbnail, simply download the image to your device. The downloaded file is ready to be uploaded directly to YouTube, allowing you to enhance the visual appeal of your videos and potentially increase viewer engagement. Now, let's generate a thumbnail using a text prompt that links Discord with Pixels. This process involves providing a detailed description of the image you want, allowing the AI to create a visually compelling thumbnail based on your input. First, locate the text input box on the Pixels interface. Click on it to activate the field, then carefully type out a detailed description of the image you envision. The more precise and descriptive your prompt is, the more accurately the AI can generate the image. Try to include specific details such as colors, lighting, composition, and any key elements that should be present in the scene. For example, if you want a dramatic and engaging thumbnail, you might enter, "A swimmer moves through deep blue water, unaware of the shark silently trailing behind." Once you've entered your desired prompt, click the Generate button. The AI will process your request, analyzing the description and rendering an image that matches your input. This step may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the prompt. When the AI completes the image, it will appear on your screen. Click on the generated thumbnail to enlarge it and examine the details closely. If the result aligns with your expectations, you can proceed to use it as your final thumbnail. However, if you're not completely satisfied, you have the option to refine the image. Click the Redo button to generate a new version using the same prompt. You can repeat this step until you achieve the desired outcome. Now, let's create another thumbnail with a different concept. Enter the following prompt into the AI image generator. A joyful baby around 1 year old plays in a colourful playground, laughing while holding a red ball. Sunlight filters through the trees as they explore the sandbox with tiny hands, surrounded by a slide and swings. Click the Generate button and the AI will create an image based on your description. After the image is generated, review the result. If it's not exactly what you envisioned, use the Edit option to refine your instructions. For example, if you want to change the baby's outfit while keeping the rest of the scene the same, enter a modified prompt and click Generate again. The AI will update the image accordingly. You can repeat this process until you achieve the perfect thumbnail. Once you're happy with your thumbnail, download it to your device. This image will be the first impression viewers have of your video, so ensure it aligns with your content and grabs attention. If you want to enhance it further, import it into a design tool like Canva to add text, icons, borders, or other graphics. After making final adjustments, save the updated version and upload it as your official video thumbnail. Pixels allows you to generate thumbnails in multiple styles, including action-based, perspective, free panel, and object-focused thumbnails. The AI ensures your thumbnails are visually appealing and optimized for clicks. If you want to try Pixels for free, click the link in the description. Start creating thumbnails instantly and boost your video performance with better designs.